To use Walkie-Talkie on the Samsung Watch 9, first of all, you will have to start by opening a Google Play Store. You have to make sure, by the way, that you are connected for Wi-Fi or mobile data and input this Walkie-Talkie phrase. So we can try Walkie. There we go. Let's go for the search. Now we have to wait for it. And as you can see, you can find even some different applications from the other developers. But of course, I can recommend you to get the official one from a Samsung. It's, in my opinion, the best option and the most safest one. And now we are just simply waiting for a downloading process. When the download will be finished, you will get this application in your application drawer. So the application drawer is, of course, this one. Since we have here, I've got the alphabetical order. It will be available over here above the voice recorder. So after that, you can just simply open it and simply start using.